Running an OpenClaw agent can sometimes feel like dealing with a black box. It performs actions, makes tool calls, and navigates complex workflows, but understanding why it behaves the way it does isn't always straightforward. Given how many moving parts exist within the OpenClaw system, gaining visibility into its behavior can be challenging, but it doesn't have to be. This is where OpenClaw's hooks come in. Hooks allow you to tap into events happening throughout the system. For example, when you send a message to the agent, it triggers an event. When the agent responds, another event fires. The same applies when the agent calls a tool or performs other actions. By hooking into these events, you can run your own logic whenever they occur. It is essential for understanding and evaluating agent behavior. When combined with an observability platform like Arize, you can monitor, analyze, and improve your agent's performance with much greater clarity. Here's how it works in practice. Every message you send to your OpenClaw agent triggers an event that gets logged in real time. When the agent responds or calls a tool, those events are captured too. All of this activity flows directly into Arize, where you can track, analyze, and debug your agent's behavior. Ready to build it? Full breakdown and code in the description. Follow Neural Creators for more AI engineering tutorials.